What's going on YouTubes? This is Sidney Cumbie with yet another makeup video. And you have made noticed that I haven't uploaded a video in like 3 months. Well, I have a really good excuse for that, and it is, well, I got in a motorcycle accident where I broke my hand, I broke my arm, and I broke my back in 2 places, as well as I messed up my neck. But as you can see, my hand and my arm is almost healed up. I mean, I can move it now. I got the cast off. My back is still a little weird. My neck is still a little weird, but I'm back at it. I'm doing more makeup. Also, last month, I did a zombie film. I was on a zombie film for a whole month, and it was pretty awesome. I wish I could give you guys more info on this zombie film because it's probably going to be a really big zombie film, as well as sort of a cult classic sort of thing. Hopefully, I don't know when it's going to come out, but I'll definitely keep you guys in the know about this movie. But this video is just, I'm back at it doing zombies. I wanted to do another zombie. RBFX wanted me to do this makeup, so I did it. It was a lot of fun. Of course, Gordon Tarpley is my model. His information will be below. And we did a zombie makeup, and we sort of threw in a little extra Undead Shaman at the end of it, I guess. We just threw a wig on him. I painted a little bit of grease paint on his face, a little bit of white. And that's really all I did with the second makeup. We just put a little bit of white on his face. So that little portion of the video is not going to be in this video. But I just brushed on a little bit of white to make it look like he had some sort of skull war paint on, and threw on a wig and changed the wardrobe, and that's it. 2 looks and in 1 makeup, so it's a lot of fun. I just want to thank RBFX for actually sponsoring this video, letting me do this makeup. I want to thank Male Products for providing me with the packs paint to seal this foam latex, as well as European Body Art, airbrush colors, alcohol colors, all the good stuff with the European Body Art. PPI Premier Products for making Telesis 5, because Telesis 5 is my favorite adhesive to use. 9mm SFX lenses, because they're the best contact lenses you can get out there. Delium Tools brushes. Of course, I work for Delium Tools brushes, and I use them for everything. Delium Tools brushes, special effects brushes are amazing. I don't know who else to thank. All the information will be below for each one of these companies. They're all awesome companies. They support me. They let me do these videos, and you guys let me do these videos as well. So make sure you subscribe below, or comment below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think. You know, just let me know what you want to see on this channel. I try to do as many videos as possible for you guys, but I'm a busy man, you know, I got things to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know you will. Subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.
Twitch. I'm really, really scared, guys.